Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to remove header and footer in Word on your mobile phone. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from your mobile, I just open Word application. I just have my Word over here. So this is my Word application. So I just click here to see my Word application with the print layout. I can able to see the header and footer inside this area. So as you see here, so this is the header and footer will be displayed over here. So this is the ICC topper and this school topper list will be there as a header and footer. So how to remove the header and footer from my document? What I have to do here? Simple and easiest way. So just go to your menu bar. So this is the menu bar. Just click the menu bar. There will be insert option. Once you click the insert option, just scroll down. You will get a header and footer over here as you see here. So just click the header and footer over here. So what are the header over there, automatically it will display over here. So as this one is a header and this one is a footer. So I just want to remove this one. I just delete this option. So automatically it will remove from my document as you see here. So my header is clear as well as my footer. I just want to delete that footer. So once I delete from header and footer from the first page, means automatically it will remove from all the pages. So just double click on the top, you will see there is no header and there is no footer over here. So simple and easiest way to save your file and have without a header and footer. So this is a simple and easiest way. You can remove your header and footer from your mobile phone itself. If you want to add, automatically just go to the same menu bar and just go to insert menu to add a header and footer. It's a simple way to add the header and footer as well as the remove the header and footer. While you enter the header and footer in the first page, automatically it will display into the extra pages, whatever pages you can add. Similarly, you can remove, means automatically it will remove from your entire document. So this is a simple and easiest way to add and remove your header and footer from your document using your mobile phone. Use this option to easily work for your header and footer from your mobile phone itself. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe to my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.